Comics and amusing individuals are, as a matter of fact, more discouraged than others. We consequently see individuals who smell lovely as more alluring. Try not to tell anybody a lot about you. The more they know you, the more they will exploit you. Individuals with various shaded eyes are bound to be drawn to each other. Individuals who are feeling terrible spend more time scanning web-based entertainment. For individuals who are doing more awful, and they are paying attention to miserable music. When you're miserable, can really settle your mindset and make you more joyful. The most remarkable method for winning a contention is by getting clarification on some things. It can make individuals see the blemishes in their rationale. Individuals are significantly more prone to return a missing wallet if an image of a kid is viewed as inside karma, says we never grasp the genuine worth of somebody until that somebody turns into a memory. Individuals rush to pass judgment on others' blames, yet never speedy to call attention to their own missing somebody. Frequently can cause a sleeping disorder. The disappointment of being without that individual keeps you conscious around evening time. Chatty young ladies and quiet young men make the best couples. Therapists have found that at whatever point you're feeling terrible, you can feel much improved by simply driving yourself to grin. There is presumably somebody who might be listening who believes you're the most astounding individual in the world, and you simply don't have any acquaintance with it. Around 159, 635 individuals will pass on around the same time as you. A squash just goes on for a limit of 4 months. In the event that it surpasses your as of now in love, at the point when somebody isn't ideal for you, will consistently get injured until you are sufficiently able to let them go. Shrewd individuals will generally mind less about the assessments of others. They moreover appreciate being separated from everyone else due to incredible sense of self. Filthy hands are an indication of clean cash. Regard those individuals who acquires less. However, with genuineness, your mind will perform better when you accept you've rested soundly, regardless of whether you haven't. Conduct is consistently more prominent than information, since in life there are a large number of circumstances where information flops. However, conduct can in any case deal with unfamiliar. Paying attention to music is an exception exercises that uses the whole mind. Philophobia portrays an individual who fears becoming hopelessly enamored, will not open up and permit anybody sufficiently close to hurt them. Never judge somebody without knowing the entire story. You might think you see, yet you don't. Yellow tone invigorates brilliance, energy, imagination, and insight. Unfamiliar, alluring individuals are seen as more canny, regardless of whether they're not. This is known as the radiance impact. Our minds have a cynicism predisposition and will recall negative recollections more than great ones. This assists us with bettering safeguard ourselves. Individuals who comprehend mockery, while frequently are great at guessing what individuals might be thinking. We can unrets men seat up to the seams as a gesture, as the eye sat and firsted a trees of droves are in slanted boards. Being distant from everyone else debilitates your body. Having companions reinforced your body. Never keep away from the individual who loves you really, since these days getting a true is difficult. Love information will give you power, yet great character will give you regard. Unfamiliar, try not to talk or accompany each other day in and day out long. A lot of anything is terrible for relationship. An individual who genuinely cherishes you won't ever let you go or abandon you, regardless how hard the circumstance is. A relationship implies you meet up to make each other better, support one another, fabricate one another, trust in one another, be their tranquility, not their concern. Love is when nothing is okay and everything is harming you a ton. However, still you need a similar individual over and over. Once more, being called child makes a positive difference on the female mind, causing profound pressure. Help, life is lovely one the very first moment, hour and brief, will not come back again in all your years. So keep away from battles, irateness, and talk beautiful to each individual at the point. When an inebriated individual is talking, 65% of anything she says is valid. On the off chance that you have a difficult choice to make, flip a coin. Not to choose for you yet, you'll understand what you truly need. When it's in the air, unfamiliar is a condition wherein you are without any problem, irritated or moored by easily